Hi, my name is Elaine Suarez. I'm a career coach here at Cleveland State University. And today I want to talk to you about Hire a Bike. Hire a Bike is our university-wide job board and career development tool for Cleveland State students and alum. So let's go ahead and get started. Hire a Bike is the go-to place for college students to find jobs. You may hear Hire a Bike referred to as Handshake. Handshake is the software that powers our system. We brand it as Hire a Bike because we know that employers want to connect with our Cleveland State students. A couple reasons why you want to get on Hire a Bike and start using it. The first is that you can get hired. So here you can identify and apply to internships, on-campus positions, and off-campus part-time and full-time positions where employers are looking for current students and college graduates. The second, get discovered. So you have the ability to create and update a profile on the system where you can customize your skills, interests, what type of positions you're looking for, and then employers are able to message you based on what you have on your profile. The third, get connected. So you can connect with peers, with other students who have maybe participated in an internship you're interested in, or worked at a company or organization that you're interested in. So it's a great online networking tool as well. And then get it all in one place. So you have access to the Career Center from Hire a Bike, where you can schedule career coaching appointments, stay up to date on upcoming events, and find out about events that employers are hosting. All right, so let's go into the first one a little more, get hired. On the platform, we review all of the positions on a daily basis to make sure that the positions are aligned with a college degree. So on the platform, we review the positions daily. We have over 4,000 positions posted, which changes from day to day. Employers of all shapes and sizes, our employer partners that regularly attend our events and connect with our students, regularly post on the system. So there's jobs and internships for every career path for any industry that you're interested in. There's positions across the country in all 50 states and even globally. Second, get discovered. So just as Hire a Bike is the go-to place for college students, it's also a go-to place for employers who are seeking current students or recent graduates for their positions. What can help you in getting noticed by an employer and being reached out to by an employer is by getting onto your profile and updating your profile, making sure that it's complete. So students that have a full profile are 5 times more likely to be messaged by an employer. Here's 3 things that you want to make sure you include on your profile. The first is what type of positions are you interested in? So you can indicate whether you're looking at internships, full-time positions, on-campus positions, or a combination. The second is what location are you interested in? So you can select the cities that you would like to work in. The third is what type of job roles would you like to explore? Get connected. This is a really great function of the system. You can look at company reviews. You can see where other CSU students have interned. And this can help you in your process as you're job searching, as you're applying, even as you're interviewing for positions. There's also a Q&A section if you're looking to do some career research, if you want to connect with other students and alum, or learn about different industries and functions. This is a good place to review. Peer messaging, so you're able to connect with your peers, with fellow CSU students and alum on the platform. And you can get it all in one place. So you have access to the Career Center where you can request appointments for career coaching, mock interviews, career exploration. You can see upcoming events hosted by the Career Center or events that employers are hosting through Handshake. And you can also interview for positions when employers are offering that function. All right, so let's get started. So to log on to your Hire a Bike account, you want to go to csuohio.joinhandshake.com. Everyone, all Cleveland State students already have an account. They just need to log in with your CampusNet information and you will be prompted with those directions once you go to that link. There's also an app that you can download onto your phone, which is available for students. And once you log in, it's really easy to update your profile, to start looking at positions. It walks you through step by step how to best use the system. The Career Center is happy to help you with your profile or with any questions that you may have. So you can always contact us at careers@csuohio.edu. To log on to Hire a Bike, you want to go to our website, csuohio.edu/career services. There you'll find the Students tab, and right here below it, you'll find Hire a Bike. You can also see it here on the quick links. This is what it will look like when you're logging on. So here you will log in using your CampusNet information. So you already have a profile in there, you just have to sign in and get on. Once you log on, this will be your home page here. And first, I want to show you what your profile looks like and how you can update your profile. All right, so if you're logging in for the first time, you'll want to take some time to update your profile. Anything you see, any section you see here can be edited by clicking the little pencil here. And you want to go section by section and start customizing this to what you would like employers to know. For the picture, we do recommend that you have a picture where you're dressed professionally or as if you were going on an interview in front of a plain background. And if you need assistance or suggestions, the Career Center is happy to help you with that. Here is a short introduction of who you are. So here you can indicate what you're studying, what you're interested, and how you can contribute to an employer. What you want to pay attention to is this profile completion bar. So you want to get to 100% complete. When your profile is complete, you're 5 times more likely to be approached by employers. You also want your profile to be visible to employers. This can be changed in the settings. Once it's visible to employers, you can be searched by an employer. So if an employer is looking for a student or a candidate that has your skill set, you will show up in their search once your profile is public. You'll want to indicate what your interests are here. So here, what type of positions are you interested in? Are you looking for internships, on-campus jobs, full-time positions? What cities are you looking to target? And then pick a couple roles that interest you. In your skills section, you'll want to include as many skills as you can to really highlight your strengths and the skills that you can contribute to an employer. And here in your document section, you can upload your resume, cover letter, writing samples, anything that you would want to show an employer. Some other pieces of your profile, you can include project descriptions for any big projects, research projects, group projects that you've done in your classes. You can include some related coursework, so courses that are in line with your area of work that you're interested in. If you're involved in on-campus organizations, if you have a leadership position with an organization, that's something employers love to see. It demonstrates leadership skills, and that's something you can include in the organizations and extracurricular section. Then you'll want to include your work and volunteer experience. So here you want to highlight the various positions you've worked in, the skills that you've gained, the accomplishments that you've had, what you've contributed. And to start thinking about the transferable skills that you've developed within your different positions and how they apply to the positions you're applying for. Okay, so let me show you how to search for jobs on Handshake on Hire a Bike. So if you go to the Jobs tab here, This is where you can identify positions that you would like to apply to and apply to them. Currently, you can see we have 4.4 thousand positions on the system. You can search by different keywords. You can filter by location, what type of positions you're interested in. So let's say I'm looking for an internship. I want to stay in the Cleveland area. And I'm interested in marketing. Okay, so 69 positions came up for that search. When you look at a job description, it will tell you if you match up to what the employer is looking for, although you don't have to always match up exactly. And if we view the full job description, this is really cool here. You can see other Cleveland State alum who have worked there or are currently working there. Here you can read reviews about the experiences that students have had. All right, something else you can use the system for is to access the Career Center. So here you can schedule appointments, you can look at some resources that we have. You can add any internship or job experiences. And you'll also find additional information on our staff here. The Q&A function is another opportunity to connect with others to do career research. So here, say I want to explore the area of insurance. Here are different entries from students across the country, and you can read through those. It can be helpful in the internship and job search, when you're interviewing, if you're looking at some career exploration. And you can also, again, connect with peers. So through the students function, you can see where other students are interning, what they're doing, what they're putting on their profiles, as long as those profiles are public. So I hope you were able to learn one or two new things about our job board. I hope you will get in there and start working on your profile, connecting with employers, connecting with fellow students. And as mentioned, we're happy to help you through the job and internship search process through creating a strong profile. Please connect with us at careers@csuohio.edu. Thank you.